In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth issues on your HP laptop. If you're trying to connect a Bluetooth device and it's not working, follow these steps. First, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. Select Bluetooth and Devices from the left-hand menu, then make sure Bluetooth is turned on. If the Bluetooth toggle is missing or can't be enabled, don't worry, we'll cover additional fixes shortly. Next, click Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and ensure your Bluetooth device is powered on and in pairing mode. If everything is working correctly, your device should appear in the list. If Bluetooth still isn't working, open the Start menu again, search for Services, and launch the Services app. Scroll down until you find the Bluetooth services. You should see 3 Bluetooth-related services. Open each service by double-clicking it. Set the startup type to automatic, then click Apply and OK. Reopen the service and check that the service status is running. If it's stopped, click Start, then select Apply and OK. Repeat this process for the remaining Bluetooth services. For the third service, the startup type can be set to either manual or automatic. After that, close the services window and check if Bluetooth is working. If the problem continues, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and launch it. Expand the Bluetooth category, then locate Intel Wireless Bluetooth. Right-click it, select Update Driver, and choose Search automatically for drivers. When that's finished, click Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Install any available Windows updates, then go to Advanced Options greater than Optional Updates. If you find any Bluetooth-related updates, install them as well. Once you've completed these steps, your HP laptop's Bluetooth should be working again. If this guide helped, or if you're still having issues, let me know in the comments.